Celebrity blogger and podcaster Perez Hilton, born Mario Lavandeira Jr., is currently receiving medical care in Miami, Florida, following a mental health crisis on Tuesday, 4th August 2026. This update focuses only on what's been officially confirmed and on the support now surrounding him and his family. According to the Miami-Dade Sheriff's Office, deputies responded to Hilton's Miami area home Tuesday night after receiving multiple calls about a person live streaming acts of self-harm on social media. Deputies located the residence, spoke with family members who were on the scene, and confirmed Hilton was alone inside. He was safely recovered and taken by Miami-Dade Fire Rescue to a local hospital where he's currently receiving medical attention. The sheriff's office has confirmed that crisis response officers and licensed mental health professionals are also supporting his family during this time. Mario Lavandeira Jr. was born and raised in Miami, the son of Cuban immigrants, long before he became known to the world as Perez Hilton. He worked in New York in publishing and public relations while trying to break into acting. In 2004, he launched a gossip website that would go on to reshape celebrity blogging entirely. Known for its irreverent commentary and, in its earliest years, for scrawled doodles added directly onto celebrity photos, the site made Hilton one of the most recognizable and, at times, most controversial figures in entertainment media during the mid to late 2000s. He later expanded well beyond blogging, becoming a published children's author, a reality television personality, and more recently, the co-host of the Perez Hilton podcast with Chris Booker, where he and Booker discuss the latest celebrity news. Hilton, 48, built his career as one of the most prominent celebrity gossip bloggers of the 2000s, later expanding into podcasting with the Perez Hilton podcast with Chris Booker. He's spoken publicly in the past about working to be a more positive presence online and about his own health scares in recent years. Hilton has been candid over the years about his own evolution, both professionally and personally. In 2010, he publicly committed to stepping back from the harsher, more personal attacks that had characterized some of his early blogging, telling talk show host Ellen DeGeneres that he genuinely wanted to be part of the solution rather than part of the problem, particularly when it came to bullying among young people. He's also spoken openly in the past about health scares. In March of last year, Hilton shared that he'd spent time in hospital in Las Vegas, later describing the experience once he'd had time to reflect, in deeply personal and spiritual terms, and expressing gratitude toward the medical staff who cared for him. Hilton is also a father of 3 children, and has spoken previously about how central they are to his life and priorities. He's also a father, and reports indicate that mental health professionals are specifically working with his family to support them through this. The Miami-Dade Sheriff's Office has emphasized that its response prioritized safety above all else, describing how deputies tactically disengaged once they'd confirmed Hilton was alone and safe, while continuing to monitor the situation until he could be safely brought to receive medical care. News of the incident spread quickly across entertainment outlets, with many choosing, appropriately, to focus their coverage on his safety and recovery rather than on the distressing content of the broadcast itself. Concerned viewers who witnessed the live stream were the ones who first alerted authorities, a reminder of how quickly online communities can mobilize to help someone in crisis. Our thoughts are with Perez Hilton and his family as he receives the care and support he needs. Perez Hilton has spent more than 2 decades in the public eye, shaping and at times reshaping how celebrity news is covered. Right now, what matters most is that he's safe, receiving proper medical care, and supported by professionals alongside his family. Our thoughts are with him and his loved ones as he takes the time he needs to recover.